This is Fire Cider. It's an herbal health tonic and folk remedy that helps boost your immune system, improve digestion, and prevent a cold or flu. Fire cider is a great natural remedy to help flush toxins out of the body, break up phlegm, alleviate congestion, reduce inflammation, and it can be taken daily to boost your immune system. Even if you aren't sick, it's a great tonic to add to your daily routine. I like taking a shot in the morning because it helps stimulate the digestive system and promotes good gut bacteria. It also provides a natural boost in energy because of the ingredients used. Honestly, taking a shot isn't bad at all. It's strong because of the apple cider vinegar and other ingredients used, but honey added to the shot makes it way easier to drink. There are so many ways to make fire cider tonic. The base is typically a mixture of horseradish, ginger, garlic, herbs, and peppers, all fermented in apple cider vinegar. You can mix and add lots of different ingredients to make it unique or enhance it even more. For this recipe, I added dried hibiscus flowers, lots of citrus, and peppers to make this powerful citrusy tonic with a beautiful purple hue, and it's jam-packed with vitamin C. Fill the jar with apple cider vinegar and then cover it with plastic wrap and seal it. Then you'll store it in a dark, cool place for 3 to 4 weeks and shake it daily. This is what my fire cider tonic looks like after 4 weeks. You can see the purple color from the hibiscus and the orange is from the turmeric powder I use. If you use fresh turmeric, you won't have the powder that stays and your fire cider will be even more of a deeper purple hue. Now all you have left to do is to strain your tonic. You want to make sure to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This is literally liquid gold. And yes, you can even use the spent herbs and veggies. No need to waste it. I like to use it as a marinade for chicken or fish, or you can make a sauce or a chutney with it. Once you're done straining it, you'll transfer the liquid to a clean jar. At this point, you can sweeten it with honey or leave it as is. And now you're all done. Seal your tonic, store it in the fridge or in a dry, cool place for up to 6 months. Enjoy a tablespoon or 2 daily for a nutrient boost, or use your tonic to make sauces, dressings, stir fries, marinades, and more.